I can do it, you can do it.
My name's Saya. I'm Hannah, I'm 4 years old. Pretty ballerinas. Thank you, I can do it!
Nice job, ballerinas.
Kids Yoga!
Today's teacher is Yuko. Now, who wants to do yoga with Yuko? You? And the challenger today is her daughter, Lila. She's 4 years old. Now, let's have some yoga fun with them. Now, before we start, please make sure you make some space and to keep breathing. It's important. Our first pose is the mountain pose. What you want to do is stand up straight, put your feet together, suck in your stomach, relax your shoulders, and look straight ahead. Our next pose is the sunrise and sunset pose. Now, this is a great stretch for your legs and your back. Now let's see how Lila and Yuko are doing it. First, let's start with the mountain pose. Bring your hands all the way up to the sky, breathe in and out, and start to bend over while breathing out. Go all the way to the ground and touch the floor. Relax your shoulders and your neck, shake them out a little bit, and when we're going back up, make sure to be breathing in. Let's see if you can do it. And last but not least, we're going to try out the moon pose. Now, just like the sunrise and sunset pose, this one starts off with the mountain pose. Let's see what Lila and Yuko are doing. Put your hands up into the air and bend over to the side while breathing out. Breathe in and out a couple more times and go all the way back up to the top while breathing in. It's not as hard as it sounds. Let's give it a try, kids.
I can do it!
Good job, Lila.
Feeling the birds. Birthday party. Lunch time. birthday cake. Musical chairs. Goodie bag. Open present. Home video.
And this is a video sent to us from Saya's dad. Today, Saya is learning how to ski. And if anybody else there has a video that they would like to see on I Can Do It, please send it.
I can brush.
My name is Do. I'm 4.
Hey kids, today we're gonna learn how to brush our teeth, and it's real easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. See? I knew you could do it. You want to try that one more time with us? All right, get ready. Here we go. Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. Oh, wonderful! I knew you could do it. Now, just to make sure we're good and clean, let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. Oh, wow! That is just amazing. Now, don't forget to rinse.
I can do it.
Awesome, Toe.
I like bike. Let's ride a bike.
That was great, Kato and Senna.
Hi, I'm Jason.
My name is Jack. My name is Natalie. My name is Lee. Let's make a salmon for your girl. Salmon. Energy. Green onion. cabbage, onions, red mushrooms, butter, salt, pepper, celery.
Let's put salt and pepper on the salmon. Oh, good job. Reese, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Just do some little shake.
Let's cut mushrooms.
Good job. Okay. Let's put the vegetables in. Put the mushrooms on. Spread it out, yeah.
I love cabbage. Let's put the salmon in.
Okay. Good job. Oh.
Let's put the green onion on top.
Oh, good job. Let's put the butter in. Let's put the butter anywhere you like. Let's put some cooking wine inside. One more scoop. Okay. 1 scoop. 2 scoop. Alright. And 1 more scoop. Okay. Good job. Let's wrap the foil. Nice and tight. Okay. Okay, we're done.
Back in the oven. Back in the oven. Yummy! Yummy! Yummy!
Try this at home.